the biomolecules which are present in a cell, some have the molecular weight less than 800 or 1000 Daltons, some will have more than 1000 Daltons also. So, actually here the biomolecules means the one which are having 18 to 800 Daltons of molecular weight, but there are some which contains the molecular weight more than 800 Daltons also. In that, based on that one, the biomolecules are differentiated into simple biomolecules, or microbiomolecules, other are macrobiomolecules. So, simply to say, the one which contains the molecular weight less than 1000 Daltons, those are called as simple or microbiomolecules, whereas the one which contains the molecular weight more than 1000 Daltons, those are called as macrobiomolecules or biomacromolecules. So, likewise this type of deviation can be seen. And what are the, where does this simple and biomacromolecules? Before that, as we said that 18 to 800 Daltons are present. Here these are present in the acid soluble fraction, whereas these are present in the acid insoluble fraction. So, that type of deviation can be observed here. Then what are the type of biomolecules which are present in the, which are the part of biomacromolecules? We can take the example of polysaccharides, proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids. These are the one which are the part of the biomacromolecules. But out of these four, except lipids, all the three, these three, they have the molecular weight more than 10,000 Daltons. But here this is a one which contains less than 1000 Daltons. As it contains less than 1000 Daltons, it should be the part of simple biomolecules. Then why it is the constituent part of the biomacromolecules? Let us discuss why it is a part of the biomacromolecules here.